In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the error inside of GeForce where it says you can't optimize games on this PC. So the very first thing we need to do is launch up the GeForce application, and inside of here, come over to settings in the top right and come down to games and apps. Now inside of here, before we start, we just need to ensure that this option is checked here. Automatically optimize newly added games and applications. So once you've ensured that this option has been checked, we can close out of the GeForce experience, and we're going to head over to our start menu and search for run. Tap on the run icon, and inside of here we need to type in $, local app data, $, and hit enter. Come all the way down here until you find the NVIDIA Corporation folder, and we need to double click on this. Come inside of NVIDIA GeForce Experience and you'll see a folder here called CEF Cache, and we're just going to right click on this folder and select the trash icon to delete it. Now in order to delete this folder, you'll need to close down GeForce first. So let me just close down the application here, and you'll also need to close out of it from your taskbar. So once this application's being closed down, we can then press the try again button here, and as you can see, that's now successfully deleted the folder. And the next thing you need to do is close out of here, and we're going to head over to our start menu and just search for programs, and then come over to add or remove programs. Now from this list of applications, we need to find GeForce inside of here. So you can just use this search feature at the top, or we can just scroll down to find NVIDIA GeForce. And then we're going to come over to these three dots here and select uninstall. Click on the uninstall button here, and you'll just need to confirm by pressing this uninstall button. And then once this has been uninstalled, you need to head over to an internet browser and come over to a search engine like Google, and we're just going to type in GeForce download experience. And then head over to this search top result here, and then select this download now button. And once your download's complete, we're going to just double click on the file to launch it up, and then simply follow the steps on screen to reinstall the GeForce experience to your PC. Now once GeForce experience has been reinstalled, you can then check to see if that's fixed the issue. Otherwise, the next thing we can do is head back over to our start menu, and this time we're going to search for Windows Defender, and then come over to Windows Defender Firewall. From the left-hand side, select Allow an Apple feature through Windows Defender Firewall, and we need to press this Change Settings button at the top here. Come inside of Allow another app, click on Browse, and we need to find the GeForce application, which is inside of our C drive. Inside of Program Files, come all the way down to the NVIDIA Corporation folder. Come inside of NVIDIA GeForce Experience, and if we scroll down here, you should see a file called NVIDIA GeForce Experience.exe. And we need to double click on this, click on add, and then now NVIDIA GeForce will be added to this list. So once you've found NVIDIA GeForce inside of here, just make sure both private and public are ticked here, and then press OK at the bottom to save these changes. And the last thing you're going to do is head over to your start menu, search for Device Manager, and then head over to the Device Manager panel. Now from here, we need to come over to Display Adapters and expand this list. And you need to locate your NVIDIA graphics card inside of here. Then we just need to right click on our NVIDIA graphics card, come into Update Driver, and press Search automatically for drivers. And once you've ensured you're running the latest drivers on your device, we can then close out of these windows and try launching up the GeForce experience, and that should fix any issues you were experiencing when it comes to optimizing your games. Now, if you did find this video useful, then please consider dropping a like and subscribing. Until next time.